Hey everyone, it's with Farris, Tarazi, Fine Homes and Estates. Welcome to Magnolia Drive. If you're looking for a 4-bedroom pool home with RV access and a workshop, this may be for you. Let's head on in, check it out. Welcome home, featuring a downstairs bed with a full bath, new interior paint and new carpet throughout the whole house, adjoining formal living and formal dining room with high ceilings. The spacious kitchen showcases stainless steel appliances, plenty of cabinetry, and opens up the family room that has backyard access and a fireplace. The large backyard offers a workshop, a patio, and a gated sparkling pool. Thank you so much for watching this tour of Magnolia Drive. For more information, for your own private showing, give me a call at 661-388-0575. And remember, who you work with matters.